The goldfish is one of the most familiar animals on the planet, yet also one of the least understood. Seen through glass bowls and aquariums, it is often dismissed as simple, forgetful, ornamental. But behind this fragile image lies a survivor shaped by centuries of human selection and thousands of years of evolutionary resilience. Goldfish originate from wild Prussian carp, freshwater fish native to East Asia. Over 1,000 years ago, during China's Tang dynasty, humans began selectively breeding these carp for color mutations. What began as a rare golden shimmer became a cultural obsession. Over generations, form followed preference, not function. And yet, the goldfish endured. Unlike many domesticated animals that lose survival traits, goldfish retained the core biology of wild carp. Their organs, senses, and behaviors remain fundamentally intact. Beneath exaggerated fins and bright pigmentation is a fish still equipped for rivers, lakes, and seasonal extremes. Goldfish possess a streamlined internal anatomy optimized for oxygen efficiency, digestion, and sensory awareness. They lack a true stomach, instead relying on a continuous digestive tract. This design allows constant feeding, an advantage in fluctuating environments where food availability is unpredictable. Their lateral line system, an array of sensory cells along the body, detects vibration and pressure changes in water. This allows goldfish to sense movement, predators, and environmental shifts long before visual cues appear. In murky water, sight becomes secondary. Awareness does not. Contrary to popular myth, goldfish do not have a 3-second memory. Studies demonstrate that they can learn patterns, recognize feeding times, differentiate shapes and colors, and retain information for months. Some can be trained to navigate mazes, respond to sound cues, and even perform simple tasks. Memory is survival. A forgetful fish would not last long in the wild. In natural environments, goldfish inhabit slow-moving freshwater systems, ponds, lakes, backwaters of rivers. They tolerate a wide range of temperatures and oxygen levels, including conditions lethal to many other fish. This tolerance is one reason feral goldfish populations now exist across multiple continents. Goldfish are omnivores. In the wild, they feed on algae, plant matter, small crustaceans, insect larvae, and detritus. This flexible diet allows them to exploit diverse ecological niches. In captivity, improper feeding often causes health issues, not because the fish is weak, but because the environment is artificial. Socially, goldfish are not solitary. They recognize tank mates, establish loose hierarchies, and show reduced stress when housed with others. Isolation affects behavior, appetite, and immune response. Reproduction reveals their carp heritage. During breeding season, males chase females persistently, stimulating egg release. Eggs adhere to vegetation and hatch within days. Fry grow rapidly, and under optimal conditions, goldfish can live for decades. Documented lifespans exceed 40 years. The idea of the short-lived goldfish is a product of poor care, not biology. Selective breeding has produced extreme body forms, bulging eyes, compressed spines, oversized fins. While visually striking, these traits often compromise swimming efficiency and health. Despite this, many goldfish adapt, compensating through behavior rather than anatomy. They learn routes, they adjust movement, they survive. Goldfish have also become ecological disruptors. When released into natural waterways, they compete with native species, alter sediment through constant foraging, and change nutrient cycles. This is not malice, it is adaptability without context. They do what they were built to do. In laboratories, goldfish are used to study learning, memory, and sensory processing. Their neural systems, though simple compared to mammals, demonstrate efficient information processing. Intelligence does not require complexity. It requires function. Perhaps the greatest misunderstanding of the goldfish lies in projection. Humans see a small animal in a small space and assume limitation. But the goldfish did not choose the bowl. It simply adapted to it. To observe a goldfish closely, to watch how it responds, remembers, adjusts, is to confront the danger of underestimation. The goldfish is not decoration. It is history, biology, and resilience swimming in plain sight. And it has been surviving human misunderstanding for over 1,000 years.